Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are on Mad City, and there is a new death ray, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it in this video. It is pretty easy. All you need to do is go to the pyramid, just go to the marker right here. It needs to be able to be robbed, and then we are going to go to the money room. Alright, oh my gosh. Try your best not to die. I know this room is a bit more difficult than the other places to rob. Alright, we're almost here. And alright, so we are now here. Just collect your money, admire this very beautiful room. Just check everything out, you know. All this stuff's pretty cool. But then, you see the chicken man right here. And I'm sure 90% of you guys know, if you press E right here, you will get riggedy wrecked and die. But, if you stand on top of his head, and you crouch 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, because 7's lucky. And then you steal a magical key from it, and you don't die. You need to stand on his head and crouch 7 times. And then you get a key. So, once you have the key, you must obviously escape the pyramid. Alright. Oh, I thought I was gonna die right there. A little bit scared. Alright. Here we go. Now, once you are here, get in a vehicle of your choice, and then fly to the location where I show you. It's near the bank. It's the new chicken restaurant place. But once you are here, just go in here, admire this new restaurant, and then once you stand right here, you need to say, like, he is cool in the chat. No, I'm just kidding, you don't have to. But you see this secret door? Dun, dun, dun. We are greeted with the death ray. Let's go, boys. Screenshot that. Okay, I kind of thought we were trapped in here. I was a bit scared. But, alright, there you guys go. We got the new death ray. I've never used this in a public server, so I'm not really sure how much damage it does. But that is how you get it, guys. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more awesome videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing. Check them out. If you guys have made it this far, comment down in the chat, death ray, just like that, and I'll heart your comment. And yeah, guys, that is everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.